The secret to staying strong after 60. Have you ever woken up feeling tired, stiff, or just not as strong as you used to be? You're not alone. As we age, our muscles naturally weaken, and recovery takes longer. But what if I told you that what you eat before bed could make a huge difference in keeping you strong, active, and energized? Doctors and nutrition experts agree certain foods can work wonders while you sleep, helping your muscles repair, your bones stay strong, and your body wake up feeling refreshed. The best part? It's not a complicated diet or expensive supplement. It's as simple as adding the right bedtime snack to your routine. Why bedtime nutrition matters. Many people focus on what they eat during the day, but what you eat before bed is just as important, especially for seniors. Your body does a lot of repair work at night, and giving it the right nutrients before you sleep can prevent muscle loss so you stay strong and active, boost metabolism to maintain a healthy weight, support better sleep by balancing hormones, protect bones and joints to reduce stiffness in the morning. But here's the catch. Not all bedtime snacks are created equal. Some foods can actually weaken muscles, cause weight gain, or disrupt sleep. So, what should you eat before bed to stay strong after 60? Let's dive into the best bedtime foods for seniors and why they work. Best bedtime foods for seniors: Greek yogurt, the muscle-repairing superfood. If you want to wake up feeling stronger and more energized, Greek yogurt should be your go-to snack before bed. Unlike other protein sources that digest quickly, Greek yogurt is packed with casein protein, a slow-digesting protein that provides a steady release of amino acids throughout the night. This ensures that your muscles receive a continuous supply of nutrients, preventing muscle breakdown and promoting recovery while you sleep. Why it works? Casein is particularly beneficial for older adults because muscle loss, or sarcopenia, becomes more common with age. By keeping a steady stream of amino acids available, Greek yogurt helps maintain and rebuild muscle tissue, reducing the risk of age-related weakness. Additionally, protein intake before bed has been shown to enhance muscle protein synthesis, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to preserve strength and mobility. Bonus benefit: Greek yogurt is an excellent source of calcium, which is essential for strong bones and preventing osteoporosis. It also contains probiotics, which support gut health and improve digestion, an important factor in nutrient absorption as we age. Best way to eat it: have a small bowl of plain Greek yogurt with a handful of berries for added antioxidants and fiber. Berries also contain vitamin C, which aids in collagen production and supports joint health. If you prefer a bit of sweetness, add a teaspoon of raw honey instead of sugar. What to avoid? Flavored yogurts are loaded with added sugars, which can cause blood sugar spikes, weight gain, and poor sleep quality. Stick to plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt to maximize the health benefits without unnecessary additives. If you need extra flavor, try mixing in cinnamon, chopped nuts, or a few seeds for a nutrient boost. Cottage cheese, a classic for strength. Cottage cheese has long been a favorite among athletes and health-conscious individuals, and for good reason. It's an excellent source of casein protein, which digests slowly and provides your muscles with a steady supply of amino acids throughout the night. This makes it one of the best foods to eat before bed if you want to maintain strength and prevent muscle loss as you age. Why it works? Cottage cheese is not only packed with high-quality protein, but it also contains healthy fats that help keep you satisfied and prevent late-night hunger. This combination of protein and fat ensures that your body has the nutrients needed for muscle repair, reducing the risk of waking up feeling weak or fatigued. Plus, the protein in cottage cheese helps preserve lean muscle mass, which is especially important for seniors looking to stay active and independent. Bonus benefit: cottage cheese is a great source of calcium and phosphorus, two essential minerals that work together to strengthen bones and reduce the risk of osteoporosis. Additionally, it contains B vitamins, which support energy production and help keep your metabolism running smoothly. Best way to eat it? Enjoy half a cup of cottage cheese as a light evening snack. For an added boost, mix in a handful of walnuts, which provide omega-3 fatty acids to reduce inflammation and support joint health. You can also add a few slices of banana, which contains magnesium and potassium to help relax your muscles and improve sleep quality. What to avoid? Stick to full-fat or low-fat cottage cheese instead of fat-free versions, which often contain added sugars or artificial ingredients that can interfere with blood sugar balance and digestion. Look for brands with minimal ingredients, preferably just milk, salt, and active cultures, to get the most natural and nutritious option. Bananas with peanut butter, a sleep and strength combo. If you struggle with muscle cramps, restless legs, or trouble falling asleep, this simple combo could be a game changer. Bananas are rich in magnesium and potassium, two key minerals that help relax muscles, prevent cramps, and support nerve function. Meanwhile, peanut butter provides healthy fats and protein, which help keep you full and support overnight muscle repair. Why it works? Bananas are a natural source of tryptophan, an amino acid that helps your body produce serotonin, which later converts into melatonin, the sleep hormone. This means that eating a banana before bed not only relaxes muscles, but also helps regulate your sleep cycle, making it easier to fall and stay asleep. On the other hand, peanut butter supplies slow-digesting protein, giving your muscles a steady stream of nutrients throughout the night to repair and rebuild while you rest. Extra benefits. The healthy fats in peanut butter help stabilize blood sugar levels overnight, preventing early morning energy crashes that can leave you feeling tired and sluggish. Additionally, the fiber in bananas supports digestion and gut health, which plays a crucial role in nutrient absorption, helping your body make the most of every meal. Best way to eat it? For an easy, nutritious bedtime snack, spread a thin layer of natural peanut butter on banana slices. If you prefer a smoother option, blend them together in a small pre-bedtime smoothie with a splash of unsweetened almond milk for a creamy, muscle-nourishing drink. What to avoid? Not all peanut butter is created equal. Many store-bought brands contain added sugars, hydrogenated oils, and preservatives, which can lead to inflammation and blood sugar spikes, negatively affecting muscle recovery. Stick to natural peanut butter with just peanuts and salt for the most health benefits. Warm milk with honey, the old-school sleep remedy. There's a reason our grandparents drank warm milk before bed. It actually works. This simple tradition has scientific backing, proving it can improve sleep quality, relax muscles, and support overnight recovery. Why it works? Milk is a natural source of tryptophan, an amino acid that helps the body produce serotonin and melatonin. Serotonin calms the mind, while melatonin regulates the sleep cycle, ensuring deeper, more restorative rest. Better sleep directly supports muscle recovery and overall strength, making this bedtime drink an easy yet effective way to maintain muscle health as you age. Additionally, milk provides high-quality protein, calcium, and healthy fats, all of which play a role in muscle maintenance and bone strength. Calcium supports muscle contractions, preventing cramps, while casein protein in milk digests slowly, supplying a steady stream of muscle-repairing amino acids throughout the night. How honey helps. Adding a teaspoon of raw honey enhances this effect. Honey contains natural sugars that gently raise insulin levels, helping tryptophan enter the brain more efficiently. This makes the body more receptive to melatonin, encouraging relaxation and sleep. Plus, honey has antioxidants that reduce inflammation, supporting overall recovery. Best way to drink it. Warm up a glass of milk, regular or unsweetened almond milk for a dairy-free option. Stir in 1 teaspoon of raw honey for a touch of natural sweetness. Drink it 30 to 60 minutes before bed for the best effect. What to avoid? Be mindful of added sugars. Too much honey can lead to blood sugar spikes, disrupting sleep instead of improving it. Stick to 1 teaspoon to enjoy the benefits without unwanted effects. Also, avoid flavored or processed milk varieties that contain artificial additives or excess sugar, as these can cause inflammation and interfere with muscle recovery. Nuts and seeds, a small snack with big benefits. If you're looking for a light yet nutritious bedtime snack, a handful of nuts or seeds can work wonders. These tiny powerhouses are packed with healthy fats, magnesium, and protein, all of which contribute to muscle strength, relaxation, and better sleep quality. Why they work? Magnesium in nuts and seeds helps relax muscles, reducing the risk of nighttime cramps and stiffness. This mineral also calms the nervous system, making it easier to fall asleep. Protein provides essential amino acids that aid in muscle repair and recovery while you sleep. Healthy fats support joint health and reduce inflammation, ensuring muscles recover efficiently. Walnuts, in particular, contain natural melatonin, which can help regulate your sleep cycle and promote deeper, more restorative sleep. Best way to eat them. Enjoy a small handful of raw almonds or walnuts about 30 to 60 minutes before bed. Sprinkle chia seeds, flax seeds, or pumpkin seeds into a serving of Greek yogurt or a warm smoothie for a protein-rich, muscle-repairing snack. If you prefer a nut butter alternative, opt for natural almond or walnut butter. Spread lightly on a whole grain cracker for a balanced snack. What to avoid? Salted or heavily roasted nuts often contain excess sodium and unhealthy oils, which can contribute to water retention and inflammation, both of which may disrupt muscle function and sleep. Flavored or sugar-coated nuts add unnecessary sugars and preservatives, which can spike blood sugar levels and interfere with restful sleep. Overeating nuts can lead to digestive discomfort, so stick to a small portion about a quarter cup or one small handful is ideal. By incorporating nuts and seeds into your evening routine, you'll not only support muscle health, but also enhance relaxation and overall sleep quality, ensuring you wake up feeling strong and refreshed. Foods to avoid before bed. Now that we've covered the best bedtime foods, let's talk about what you should avoid before bed. Some foods can weaken muscles, disrupt sleep, or cause weight gain. Sugary snacks, cakes, cookies, and candy cause blood sugar spikes that lead to poor sleep and muscle breakdown. Processed carbs. White bread, pasta, and chips can increase inflammation and contribute to muscle loss. Caffeinated drinks. Coffee, tea, and soda can keep you awake and interfere with recovery. Alcohol. It may make you sleepy at first, but alcohol disrupts deep sleep and weakens muscle recovery. By avoiding these foods and choosing nutrient-rich bedtime snacks, you'll wake up feeling stronger, healthier, and ready to take on the day. Small changes, big results. Taking care of your muscles doesn't require extreme diets or intense workouts. Sometimes the simplest changes, like choosing the right bedtime snack, can make a huge difference. Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, bananas, warm milk, and nuts provide the nutrients your body needs to stay strong while you sleep. Avoiding sugar, processed carbs, and caffeine can improve sleep quality and muscle recovery. A well-balanced bedtime routine helps you wake up feeling refreshed, energized, and ready for the day. Remember, small habits lead to big results. Give these bedtime snacks a try, and you'll start noticing the difference in your strength, sleep, and overall well-being. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with a friend. Let's build a community where seniors support each other and stay healthy together. Drop a comment below. What's your favorite bedtime snack? I'd love to hear from you. Stay strong, stay healthy, and see you in the next video.